Hey guys, we're in Chiang Mai. We're going to be leaving in a few days, but we wanted to get our teeth cleaned before we leave. So we're going to a dentist. I think the cost is 600 baht, which is about $20 to get your teeth cleaned here in Thailand, or at least in Chiang Mai. We'll let you know how it is. The dentist apparently was trained in the US, and the reviews on the place, they were really, really good. So we're going to check it out, and we'll let you know what we think of the dental cleaning in Thailand. See you in a bit. All right, so we just called for our taxi. He should be on the way. It's 90 baht for a 20-minute taxi ride, which is about $3. There's no Uber or Lyft here in Chiang Mai anyways, so you'll want to download the Grab app. Really inexpensive transportation here, which makes it really nice. But we'll see y'all at the dentist. Alright guys, so we just made it back from the dentist and the girls got their teeth cleaned. I actually opted to get mine done on Monday because I've been kind of fighting a cold. But what y'all think of the dentist in Thailand?
She went first, so you can tell how you're going to.
I went first because somebody is uneasy at the dentist and I wanted to make sure that she knew it was okay and it was going to be a horrible thing, horrible experience.
I actually just wanted to watch what was happening, not for the sake of me, but I wanted to watch. I really did. I wanted to watch what was happening to you because I didn't know if I was going to get a chance to watch you.
So what'd you think, Jim? How was your experience?
I think it was fine. I kept since I'm kind of sick as well, I had to. She's like, raise your hand if you.
And uneasy.
If you. No, it was because I'm sick, but. She said that raise your hand if you feel uncomfortable or something hurts. So I was like, okay. And then I kept raising my hand like 3 times because I was like, sorry. Yeah.
So were they gentle? Were they soft? It was
yeah.
Like any other dentist you went to?
They were very quick. I thought they were very fast, which was good because there was 2 of us. They had to give us.
Did it look like, was there 2 ladies working on you at a time?
No, one. Well, it's like the same thing. You know how there's 2 hygienists. One has the sucker thing that sucks, and the other one's cleaning.
So did they just use the pick, or did they do the water?
They did the scaling, and so I guess I didn't realize there was a difference. There's scaling, and then there's just like the regular cleaning. So they did the scaling and the cleaning and the polishing. Polishing is the part Jam doesn't like because of the grit, which the grit does suck.
Yeah.
But that's part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was, I guess, $20 to $25 to get your teeth cleaned with no insurance. In the U.S., I don't know, maybe it's $100 to $125, $150 to get your teeth cleaned, maybe with no insurance. I'm assuming. I think that's what the rate is.
I have insurance.
The experience was like the U.S. I think, because they looked at the teeth with the little hook and they were kind of like scratching at it. And then they took out the water and the suck thing, and then they were like cleaning your teeth with the water. I don't know if it's like saline water or what. I don't know.
Yeah.
Some type of
They
water.
just rinse your mouth.
And they spoke perfect English, right? I know the ladies at the front desk did, so that's nice. It was real easy, I think, when Jen called and talked to him, right? I mean, communication was a breeze.
This place, yes.
But you called several other ones, right?
Yeah, several other ones. Some of them didn't quite understand.
And it had good reviews, right? I mean, you did some research on that. It was 600 baht for kids to get their teeth cleaned, which is 20 bucks. And Jen, they charged 800 baht, which is $26. And actually, I'm going to go back on Monday to get mine done. And Jenna actually has a cavity that they have to fill. So we'll let you know how cavity filling goes and how much it costs on Monday. Alright guys, so I'm going to go have my teeth cleaned today here in Chiang Mai. We'll let you know how it goes for me. The girls did it the other day, and it's my turn. I was sick the other day, but I'm feeling much better, so let's go. Alright guys, so I just got done with the dentist. It's right there across the street. And yeah, so the experience was pretty good. No problems at all. The 2 ladies were very nice, very easy on the teeth. The cost was 600 baht, which is $20. It probably took about 30 minutes. They were really efficient. But we got some food, so we'll let you go. And again, the experience was pretty good. Jam has to go back later today and get a cavity filled, so we'll see how she does. But see you then. All right, so we made it back to the Airbnb, and Jenna had some dental work done. So what'd you think, Jam? What'd you think of the dentist in Chiang Mai? How was your experience? First, what did they do?
I had 2 tooth fragments.
Some baby teeth fragments?
Yeah, from old teeth that grew in that when it fell out, some of it was still left. And I had to get those pulled. And last time I tried to get them pulled was 10 months ago when I went to my last dentist appointment. And I actually ended up freaking out because the shot, I think the doctor was scared to for me to flinch. So, because I was like already nervous and I was like not ready the first time. So then he started spraying before it got to my gum. So it started going down my throat, and then I got up, spit it out onto my this thing that they clamped here, and then I didn't get it pulled out. So today I actually got it pulled out, and it wasn't that bad. Like I felt like him touch it, and then that's all I felt. And then on the other one, it kind of hurt a little bit because I guess that part wasn't really numb, but it didn't hurt as bad.
Right on. Okay, so actually Jam had 3 cavities filled instead of 1. So what did you think, Jam? What was your experience like getting your cavities filled in Chiang Mai?
I think that it was fine. I didn't really feel anything. The only thing, I started freaking out, and I was like doing little Thai sign, like, oh, come. Because when we're at night markets, we always see women, when they want you to buy their stuff, they're always like, come on, come. So I was like this time. Because I was laying down, so I did this. I was like, come. But I was actually, I was trying to hold his hand because I was nervous. So.
You're a little nervous?
And all he did was just pat me on my head and said, you're all right.
That's called tough love, Jam. Tough love. Well, anyways, as far as cost, it was pretty good. It was $4,000 total for the 3 cavities and the 2 tooth extractions. So I guess that's about $130 to have 3 cavities filled and the tooth extraction, the 2 small fragments. And that was 800 baht for the extractions, yeah. Which I think is about $25. And so maybe $100 for or so for 3 cavities filled. So yeah, anyways, that was the dental tour in Chiang Mai, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.